Hello, I will be reading the day 1 of week 13, 180 days of reading. It says, try this experiment. Hold a pencil in your hand and then let go of it. What happens when you let go? The pencil falls to the ground. Why does that happen? It happens because gravity is at work. Gravity is a force that pulls objects toward each other. When you drop a pencil, gravity pulls the pencil toward Earth. Everything has gravity. So why doesn't the floor move toward the pencil? Larger and heavier objects have more gravity than smaller, lighter objects do. Earth is much larger and heavier than the pencil is. So Earth's pull is stronger than the pencil's pull. The sun is much larger and heavier than Earth is. That means the sun's gravity is much stronger. That's the reason that Earth orbits the sun. The sun's gravity is pulling Earth toward it. Number 1. Would reading the first sentence help the reader preview the text? A, yes, it introduces the topic. Or B, yes, it describes what will happen. Or C, yes, it provides a good deal of information. Or D, no, the topic sentence comes later in the text. Number 2, which index entry would help a reader find this information? A, experiments. B, gravity. C, sun. D, or earth. Or D, earth. The earth. Sorry. That was confusing. Number 3, which is syllable? That does not make sense. It says, which is syllable is stressed in the word gravity. It means which syllable is stressed in the word gravity. Is it A, the first syllable, B, the second syllable, C, the third syllable, or D, none of the above? Which syllable is stressed in the word gravity? Number 4, a synonym for experiment is A, game, B, test, C, outfit, or D, book. Number 5, what is the author's purpose? A, to persuade, B, to entertain, C, to confuse, or D, to inform. What is the author's purpose? And that is it for day 1.